Welcome back to our channel. Once again, if you're new here, my name is Chelan and this is Fandom NY. And thank you guys for joining me for this upload or episode. And for today's video, I will be making another beautiful balloon bouquet. So white balloon 11 inches stuffed with pearl mint green. So they're both 11 inches. Use your balloon stick, put it in here, and then stick this to your white 11 inches. So this will be 8 of them right here for our base. Okay, these are 5 inches balloon, 5 inches latex balloon. So you inflate this and inflate this to 2.5 or 6.35 centimeter with our balloon sizer, just like that. Okay. You want 2 of this. So basically you want to make this into quads. 2 balloon turns into quad. So we'll start off with our 16 inches latex balloon. This is rose gold. So basically I want to make it nice and round, so there's no particular size on how you inflate this ball. So make sure that it's nice and round. There you go. So put this on the side, and then we'll inflate our double stuff 11 inches balloon. We'll inflate this to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter. Okay, you want to inflate 4 of this. This is going to be on the very bottom of our base. So there's your 4 right here. This is gonna be the base. So again, tie this together. Like that, that's for the base. So we'll put this on the side for now. And now the other 4 that's on the second layer. So this one, I want this much smaller than the bottom layer. So I want this around 6.5 or 16.51 centimeter. Just like that. Alright guys, so we have all 4 right here. So actually, as we mentioned, this is 11 inches. So if you have 9 inches, it's much better. So it will stretch because this is a lot smaller than the bottom one. 9 inches would work perfect. Okay, so again, this way. By the way, it's a little trick. If you want to hold the inside balloon, the tip, and that's where you're gonna tie, it's a lot easier. People do that one. So right here. Okay, so we're ready to connect the base right here. We'll use our fishing line. So again, water weight is needed for this project. So I got 2 5 inches white balloons right here. And then use this and use your fishing line, tie it on your water weight or balloon weight, just like that. And I will put this on your base. So basically you tie this on here. So that would be on the very bottom. Okay, then the other quads here, right there, push it a little, and then shape it just like number 8. Okay, so this is gonna be our base. Just make sure it's wrapped. Okay, and I will cut the excess here. But before I do that, I'm gonna leave like a long string here because that's where we're gonna attach our tiny balloons wrap around here. So I will leave like long fishing line, and then I'll cut another one for our top balloon. So I'm gonna tie this. So right here. Alright guys, so we got our base right here with the fishing line. Before we put this on, we will put our quads right here. Balloon quads, the little quads that we made. So I'll put one here using the balloon fishing line right here. I will wrap this. Just wrap it like that. And then we'll continue on here. So now I'll put this on the side. So basically you put this in here and then just wrap your fishing line right there. Like that. Alright, so we'll arrange this in place like that. Our fishing line. So we will put this on here. So for now, I want to put it here temporarily, and then your fishing line, tucked it in here. So just like number 8. So now it's attached here. Okay, you wrap this all the way. Wrap it like that. All the way. And then of course you put this on the bottom. Right there. And then connect them using your fishing line. See the fishing line that I have here? This one. Wrap this here and then connect. So first what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go closer. I'm gonna connect these balloons here. Just connect them in place. So just like that, you connect them. And now, one big circle. Okay, so now I'll grab this, put this on top. Alright guys, so I finally got this on here, as you can see on the side right here. Now it's still wobbly, so in order for that to support, so to stay in place, we will use the extra quad and we'll put it on here to support right there on front and on the back. This time I'm gonna show you guys how to make this flower. So this is 260Q, 260Q here, both. Stretch this all the way. Alright guys, so we're now ready to attach our flowers right here. So again, we'll be using our balloon glue dots. So I will put like a little decoration, so 260Q, same color with this. So you pump this. Just a little air. So put this all the way to the tip. So just like that, I have to tie this. And then push that in. Alright, so now I'm gonna pump another air. So we're gonna add it right there. Like that. Push this in as well, just like what we did on the other side. So once you put it in there, it's not going nowhere. So you have this too. Fold it in half. Now we will go ahead and put our vinyl sticker from our Cameo 4. Alright, and here you go guys. I hope you liked this video and learned something from this channel. Once again, this is Chelan FamBamNY here. Thank you all for the support, for always here. And we will see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!